Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word experimental. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientist conducted an experimental study to test the effects of the new drug on patients. Experimental in this sentence refers to a study or test conducted to explore new ideas, methods, or treatments in a controlled environment to gather data or evidence. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.